Ideal for industrial workbenches and ergonomic workstations, OMTech Workbench Tabletop Insert Rollers ensure smooth, minimal-effort unidirectional movement. These rollers are non-retractable and designed for both standalone use and integration with all OMTech ergonomic transfer components. They are available for both ESD-sensitive and non-ESD applications. Sizes range from a minimum length of 2.625 inches, 6.7 centimeters, to a maximum of 20 inches, 50.8 centimeters. We suggest a recommended live load of 5 to 10 pounds per roller. By choosing OMTech, companies are investing in a partnership that offers dedicated support, expert advice, and customized solutions designed to meet the complex challenges of modern material handling and assembly. Contact us today. Thank you.